Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a fun feature of Discord, sending GIFs. If you're looking to spice up your conversations and express your feelings better, sending a GIF can be just the thing. Let's jump right into the steps for sending a GIF on Discord using your Android device. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch it. Once you're in the app, find the conversation where you want to send your GIF. This could be a chat with your friends, a server channel, or even a direct message. Just tap on it to open the conversation. Now, look down at the bottom of your screen, and you'll see a smiley face icon. It's the key to bringing some fun to your chat. Tap that smiley face, and you'll enter the emoji menu. Next, go ahead and tap on Gifs. This will open up a treasure trove of animated images just waiting to be shared. You can scroll through the collection or use the search feature to find the perfect GIF that matches your mood or message. Once you've found the GIF you want to send, it's time for the final step. Simply tap on the GIF and voila! It's sent instantly to your conversation. And there you have it. Sending GIFs on Discord is quick, easy, and a great way to add some fun to your chats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting.